Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, chair arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and some windows for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the right side, so we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 3 chairs and 3 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have 2 bedrooms here, and on the left side we have bedroom number 1. Here you can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 windows for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the right side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 windows for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.